I'm gonna tell you, collard greens are in my top 3 of side dishes. Hit me in the comments. I got mac and cheese, collard greens, and just throw something else in there, but I gotta have those 2, collard greens, mac and cheese, and I'll be honest with you, and dressing for me, that's my top 3 for Thanksgiving. Hey, I got these big stalks, collards. I'm gonna cut them up. We're gonna clean them, and then we're gonna make them absolutely delicious, fam. All right, so what I do is take these collards, cut them off like right where the leaf starts, and then I just come in, make a little slice like this. And this isn't like any top secret way of like preparing collards, but let me be honest with you. One thing I like to do is I like to save just a little bit of the stem, because if you cook these right, this will be absolutely delicious. Now, I don't want like the huge part of the stem, just like the little small part, and you'll be in the game. And then, you know, you get enough of them, chop them up, throw them in the pot, let these get tender. That's some good eating right there. Now, the holidays, it's all about efficiency. So pile these leaves up, roll them up, and then cut them up. So cut these however you like. Cut them however small you like, just how you want to bite them. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just cut them like this. And this is about a 1/2 inch. And then you can come back through and then just half them if you like that. Hey, you'll be in the game. Now I'm gonna throw these in my water to wash. And then we'll go to that pot once we get those greens cleaned up. And doesn't those greens look absolutely gorgeous? So I'm gonna go ahead and drain this out. Water is clean, and then we ready to go. I got a yellow onion cut, and we about to go to this pot and start assembling these delicious collard greens. Let's make us a flavorful pot. I'm gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of butter so we can get those onions done up right. And while that butter is melting, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my onions. And we'll cook this onion and let it release its flavor. Now, I normally don't use already minced garlic, but my wife had some in the kitchen, in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna go ahead and use what I got. And then let that garlic become fragrant. And then once that garlic becomes fragrant, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of chicken broth. Not much, just so we don't scorch anything. And I'm gonna start adding in my collards. Got a handful. Now, again, it's gonna look like a lot, but it'll wither down. Got me some smoked turkey legs. And I got 3 of these smoked turkey legs. So what I want to do, I'm gonna kind of bury them in these collards and let them, you know what I'm saying, release this flavor in this pot also. Now I'm gonna add in my seasonings before I top this off with a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder. Won't be using red pepper flakes, so I'm going in with my baptizing Cajun seasoning. And I know some people gonna say they don't put sugar in their collard greens. Hey, if that's what you like, hey, go with what you know. I like a little bit of sweetness on my collards. Now, some people just like it savory, but for me, this is delicious right here. And then we'll top this off with our chicken broth. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these cook for a little minute, let them wither down, and then we'll come back and then add the rest of our collard greens into this pot, and we will be in the game, fam. And then I'm gonna add me another thing of chicken broth, and then we'll put a lid on this, let this wither down, then we'll come back and visit this pot again. So we've been going about 15 minutes or so. And so we got this pot going a little bit. And so I'll just push these down. And like I said, as you see those starting to render, now we can put the rest of these collard greens in here. Now, before I do, I'm gonna add me some apple cider vinegar. in that pot, about 1/4 of a cup. And then I add the rest of my greens and my stems. And these are smelling good already. This pot is smelling good. There's two things that I know these greens are ready to go. First thing is these stems will be fork tender. Second thing will be those turkey legs will fall off the bone. Let me put this lid on it and let these collard greens do what it do. And we'll see you guys in a little bit, fam. All right, we're gonna check on these greens. And bring one of those turkey legs up. And again, remember what I said. You know your collard greens gonna be done when the stems are fork tender. And they are tender. Yes, sir. Look at that right there. Nice, tender. It's a little bit on the hot side, so I'm not gonna, hold that thing. And then the next thing would be is that turkey leg. Will it come off that bone? Yes, sir. Hey, these greens are ready to go. So we'll shred up these turkey legs and get that skin off. And you just take 2 forks. It's already tender enough. Like I said, take that skin out. We got all those turkey legs shredded. Yes, sir. Look at that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this pot around real good. Everything well incorporated. And then at this time, what you want to do, take your little taste of your pot, adjust your seasonings as you need to. What I do, I come in here, give me a nice little fork full. Got me a little taste of it. Hey, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna top this off with some pepper. I'm gonna hit it with a tad bit more of that apple cider vinegar. And just a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning. Then we'll stir everything in. And to me, collard greens are like chili. Hey, the longer you let them go and you let those flavors set in, the better they are. So I'm gonna turn this on a low. And I'm gonna let these go for probably about 30 more minutes and let those flavors set in, and we'll be in the game, fam. All right, fam, we let these collard greens just rest a little bit on low. And I'm gonna tell you, they smell absolutely delicious, fam. Fam, hey, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious collard greens with shredded turkey legs. We in the game. Hey, you already know. I gotta get me a taste test. Cheers, fam. Now that right there, those collard greens are just right. Hey, collard greens are like chili. The longer you let them go and you let those flavors just get in there and marry together, hey, that's where it's at. We're in the game. Hey, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget, if you do like content like this, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and then hit that hype button so you can help my channel grow. And then for my focus fam, hey, that's been rolling me for a while. You already know what your boy Ike, the coach, is about to do. I'm about to get back in the game, call some plays, and smash into these absolutely delicious collard greens. And we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we're in the game.